What's going on, YouTube? Come back at you with another video. So Master P recently held like a free murder, or Corey Miller, I should say, a free Corey Miller rally, and his lawyer came out and spoke. I thought it was pretty dope that Master P, took some time to get out there and show his face as in support for his brother. I know he's been supporting him on Instagram and things like that, but it's dope that he actually got out there to, have something like this. Hopefully, Corey Miller, C Murder, whatever you want to call him, hopefully he will be coming home soon. There's definitely reasonable doubt in his case, and he was wrongfully incarcerated based on the fact that there's allegations now of police misconduct. I mean, it's looking pretty good for him at this point, but again, you never want to put too much optimism into the criminal justice system, because you really don't know what's going to happen. But given the circumstances, they definitely need to free C Murder. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about this whole situation. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and do so. Peace.
Thank y'all for being here today. This is a peaceful event. Corey got his head up, he in good spirit. It's time for him to come home and get his man. You know what I'm saying? They have no more witnesses. Both witnesses that already came and recanted they statement. So I have Corey lawyer here.
All right.
Y'all, I love y'all for showing up and representing.
Just on behalf of Corey, I spoke to him earlier today. He's cautiously optimistic. He is in good spirits. He's still doing his good work while incarcerated, because he's keeping his spirits alive. But an innocent man in jail for something he didn't do is no justice. So it's time for us to,
Free Corey!